In this video, I'll be showing you how to use MobiMatter. Specifically, I'll show you how you can choose a MobiMatter eSIM, how you can purchase that eSIM, and how you can actually use that eSIM for your mobile data when you are going on vacation or just to a different country. So in order to get started, you want to go ahead and download the MobiMatter app. Now once you do that, you will see this right here. Now in the bottom right, you can simply click on skip. So then you will see this where you can sign in or sign up with Apple, Facebook, email, or Google. I'm going to be using Google. Then after you sign up, you will see this right here. Now first what you want to go ahead and do is search for a destination. For example, if I am going to the United States, then I want to search for that right here. However, they have a bunch of different countries to choose from. Now I'm just going to type in United States. So then you will see United States right here and you can click on that. Now click search one, select it. However, if you are going to multiple countries, let's say I'm also going to Canada, then I can also type in Canada here and select that one as well. Then you can click on to select it in the bottom and you will then see this. So they will match you up with a bunch of eSIMs that are available. So for example, this top one right here gets you 35 gigabytes of data at a price of $39.99 and it works in the US, Canada and a couple more countries. The validity is 365 days and that is from when you activate it. So for example, if I purchase it right now and I activate it in 3 months, then from that point in 3 months, it will last for 365 days. So just find one that you want and you can also filter. For example, if I only need 10 gigabytes, then I can click 10 gigabytes or more. And then you will see a bunch with more than 10 gigabytes. So for example, I'll take this one here. And you can see in this specific one, you also earn 2 USD in cashback to your rewards balance with this purchase. So this one is $19. Now my currency is euro, so it's 19 euros and 50 cents. So now you can go and click on buy now. And you can also see the details right here. But when you click buy now, you can then go and choose how you would like to purchase. So you can also choose a reward, so either 10% cashback, a 3% discount, or a referral bonus. So just choose which one you want. For example, I'll select 10% cashback. And now you can click on proceed in the bottom. Then here you can see the details and you can click proceed again. Now you want to make sure your email address is valid and then click confirm. And now here you can pay with Apple, credit or debit card or pay with crypto. Then once you pay it, you want to go and activate it. Now the activation process is really simple. After you purchase it, you will see a simple step-by-step process on how to activate it. Now I cannot show you that in this video, since that differs per device. Whether you're using an iPhone or Android, it's very different on how you activate it. However, you will just get a step-by-step guide and you want to just go and follow those steps exactly. And if you do that, then you will have activated your MobiMatter eSIM. Now you only want to go and activate it when you are actually using it, because otherwise you will be using the period that it is valid for and you could run out. For example, if it's only valid for 30 days and you activate it now and you are going on vacation in 30 days, then it won't be valid anymore. So just do it the day before, for example. Now in my eSIMs in the bottom, you will see your eSIMs and you can track how much of it you have used up, how much you have available, and you can always purchase more. So now you know how to use MobiMatter for your travel eSIMs. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.